YouTube, this is Natural Looks Diva. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in to do an unboxing video for the second time. A few days ago I recorded the original unboxing, and when it was time to upload the footage I started having all kinds of issues with it. I got frustrated and I just left it alone. So now I'm back to re-record that unboxing for a second time. But before I get started, please click on that subscribe button down below. Next to that is a notification bell button. If you click on that, it will notify you every time I upload a video. Also, I'm giving a shout out to Autumn Beckman. She did an unboxing video about a couple of weeks ago. I told her once I got the item in and I was ready to do the video, I was going to tag her. Here's the box. And you can see that it's already been opened because this is my second time doing this unboxing. Here's the first bag that it came in. Here's the second bag. It is a beautiful Chanel inspired reissue bag. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. The straps were wrapped up really nice with a lot of paper. The turn lock is easy to turn, really nice. And this cute little wallet came with the bag. It has a nice zipper on it. There's 2 slots and they can fit credit cards or gift cards. You can use it to put keys on as well as a bag charm. Since it's a clear bag, this little wallet is to put things inside that you want to conceal. And on the back of the bag is a nice deep pocket. I'm going to show you how big the pocket is by putting my clay inside of it. It gives you an idea of how big this pocket really is, and it's kind of deep as well. Another good thing about the pocket on the back is big enough to hold my iPhone 7 Plus. I absolutely love the vinyl bags. We used to carry those many years ago. I put 3 other items inside of it just to give you an idea of what it looks like. The first thing is gum. Then I have my YSL lipstick. I have my monogram clay. And I also have the little wallet that came with the bag. I got the clear bag with the gold hardware. It's a beautiful, soft champagne gold. The other colors they had was black, silver, and I believe white. I'm not sure about that. The chain and the hardware on the bag is quite substantial. The turn lock is really nice and easy to use. I love the gold hardware around it. I'm so happy that the clear bags are back. You won't be using it everywhere. I just think when you go certain places, it's a nice fun bag and it's really nice to look at. I will be coming back to do a what fits inside of my bag video as well as a review. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below and I will get back with you. Also, I want to apologize for the last video I uploaded. I have not responded back to any of the comments. Before I go, I want to say thank you for all of my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. If you have any comments or questions, please put them down below and I will get back to you. I was in Atlanta for 2 weeks because my daughter gave birth to another beautiful baby girl. We are so happy and so in love with her. And then when I got home, I had doctor's appointments and just life issues. And even now, I'm still playing catch up. Okay, before I go, I just want to say I pray that each and every one of you have a wonderful, blessed, and safe week. You all take care. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.